Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play COD on Xbox, only way. Start by signing into your Xbox Live account and installing Call of Duty from the store or disk, then update the game fully before launching. Make sure your console storage has enough free space and connect a headset for voice chat. I will guide you through settings, controls, and match types so you can jump into your first game confidently. Next, personalize your controls and game settings to feel comfortable quickly. Change your controller layout, tweak sensitivity for faster target tracking, and test aim assist in private matches. Configure audio levels and HUD elements so important information is visible without clutter. Finally, confirm your microphone and party settings so you can coordinate with teammates during objective rounds and improve your win rate through better communication. Focus on map knowledge and situational awareness to raise your play quickly. Practice common routes and choke points in smaller objective matches, listen for footsteps and gunfire, and use pings to mark enemies for teammates. Prioritize positioning and cover over rushing open lanes, and adapt your loadout to the map and mode. Playing with a regular squad also helps you develop strategies and trust under pressure for more consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.